Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the strong apartment movers in Rockville, Maryland. Moving to a new apartment or condo shows some unique challenges, and we are here to battle with. Luckily, our apartment movers in Rockville, Maryland, understand how to steer those problems precisely. We make sure stress-free move. So, you don't need to concern about it. We are exclusive apartment movers with excellent reviews offering cost-effective prices for local and long-distance apartment relocation around whole Maryland area. Apartment move can be an exciting and distressing entire process when you want to shift to another. Moves to another apartment on one's own can result in feeling overwhelmed. There is no doubt that moving is not an easy task, as it requires expert planning, specialized equipment, and packing supplies. It'll super easy.